time for the last one. Today, I'm gonna draw Kevin, the longest bird in the world. I mean, the tallest bird in the world. Meet Kevin.
Perfect. I like it. What's your favorite part?
I like Peter Pan, one of my favorite characters. I want to see all of these characters. I want to see Cusco, then Peter Pan, then Pooh, then Russell, then Eeyore, and then Carl, then Dog, then Kevin. I want to see all those characters.
When we go to Disney World, you want to meet them?
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea. We can try.
But first, I need to bring these pages. I need to bring these pages. It's with me.
Well, they look good, buddy. Good job.
I need to bring all these pages. And these are the last pages.